This 2017 Keystone Montana Legacy Edition 3000 RE is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Turlock, California, 95382 and is offered for sale by Best RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 35 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, slide-out, and 66 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, outdoor entertainment, rear entertainment. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.